This is the maintenance guide for the Coway Aquamega 200C. If you want to enjoy clean water continuously, you need to maintain the product by changing the filter on time and regularly draining the unit. Let's check the maintenance procedures step by step. When it is time to replace the filters, a filter change light will blink. In order to replace the filter, first, ensure that the water supply valve or the T-valve is turned off to prevent leaks. Drain the residual water from the filter to remove internal pressure. And unplug the power cord before starting to replace the filter. After draining, remove the top cover of the Aquamega 200C by sliding it forward until it comes off. Push the buttons on the filter case to remove it. Disconnect the filter set from the tubing and pull the tubes out. Turn the two used filters clockwise to remove them. Then insert the new filters by pushing and turning a quarter counterclockwise. After replacing each of the filters, reconnect the filter cover until you hear a click to prevent leaks. Once the filters are inserted, connect the power cord and press the filter reset button before closing the cover. Close the top cover. Open the water shutoff valve or the T-valve again. Flush the Coway Aquamega 200C before using it by running ambient water for 3 minutes and then cold water for 3 minutes and discard the water. Do not drink the water used to flush the product. Use the drain hose to make flushing easier. After draining the unit, check to see if the iCare app is synced and if the filter is reset to finish filter replacement. Note, the cold water tank should be drained regularly. In order to drain the product, turn off the water shutoff valve or the T-valve. For draining the cold water tank, you need to turn off the cooling function by pressing the cold water button on the front panel for 5 seconds and detach the power cord. Then, drain the product by opening the drain cap at the back of the product. Before removing the drain cap, move the product to the sink. The water may come out as soon as you open the cap. Put the drain cap back on and open the valve again when the water from the product is removed. Then, put the power cord back in. Make sure your product is on. Turn on the cooling function by pressing the cold water button on the front panel for 5 seconds. Now, the tank is empty. You need to fill it up, and it will take 1 to 2 minutes for the tank to fill. In addition to filter replacement and regular draining, washing and maintaining the unit parts, mesh filter, faucet, etc. will help to maintain product performance and for you to enjoy the cleanest water possible. Maintain Coway Aquamega 200C regularly to enjoy clean water all the time. Coway Aquamega.